Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you the winter jacket hack in Dress to Impress. So if you want that cozy winter jacket look in DTI without needing VIP, in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can get the stylish winter jacket vibe using items you already have, totally VIP free. So this is the look of the jacket. Let's just get started. So first, you just going to put on this tops right here and change the color into white. Next, put on this coat and change the color to the color that you like, but I'm going to make it white, and for the buttons I'm going to make it this pinkish color. And lastly, just put on this sleeves and change the color to the one that you like. I'm going to make it the same with the buttons, and this is the final look. And that's it. So this is the winter jacket for you. Stay warm, look cool, and slay the snow. No VIP required. Like if you love smart style hacks, comment your favorite winter accessory, and don't forget to subscribe. Also click on thanks for more DTI fashion tips. Bye!